My husband, Jason, and I have 3 children. They go to school 5 days a week. Our evenings are spent running around from various activities. We have lacrosse, we have voice lessons, golf and band, reading tutoring, so we're out and about all the time. The importance of vaccinations was really driven home when our newborn contracted whooping cough. I first noticed that her lips were a little bit blue, like she wasn't getting enough air. So I called my best friend, who's a nurse. She came over, and at that point we were like, yeah, we need to go ahead and take her in to the ER. Her breathing just continued to deteriorate. Nothing was working, and so she was on a ventilator for 3 weeks, and we just waited to see if she was gonna survive. We didn't have to go through this. It's preventable. If everyone around us, including ourselves, had those boosters, we could have avoided all of this. I've always been a proponent of immunizations, but when you spend time in the hospital watching your newborn fight for her life, will really propel you to be an advocate and a believer in the importance of immunizations and boosters. Not everyone is as lucky as we are. I mean, now you see us and we're busy and our family is full and complete and we're going here and there, but there are lots of people whose newborns did not survive this. We don't take that for granted.